Hi there, welcome to my channel and thanks for tuning in today. In this short video, I will give you 3 tips to help you take care of your skin and to fight off aging. Step 1. Diet. Are you aware of what you're putting into your body every day? To completely optimize your health for a younger looking skin, you have to make sure to only eat whole foods as much as possible and limit your eating to only 3 meals per day. Also, try to get vitamin C from fruits instead of pills. Step 2. Water. We all know that we are 75% water. Water is a natural remedy for anti-aging, so quitting sugary drinks is really a must to look younger and feeling better. Step 3. Exercise. This one is huge. Go outside and run for 10 minutes. Join your local gym. It doesn't have to be very extreme. Just get your heart pumping a little bit every day and you will notice feeling much better. And we all know that when you feel better, you look better too. I also created a free